Except they won't be synchronized either way, because guess what? You're about to fight someone. Wait, save. That could have been a big mistake right there.
Hello? Are you the real one?
Probably not.
I guess we'll find out.
Let's go.
Ah, yeah. Oh! I knew it! I knew it! Kimbo, Paper Mario's an imposter!
Well,
Gotcha!
I wish he's not. I can't. I wish he's not a Stuff of Nightmares dupless clone.
Please, you have to understand I'm Mario. Please?
Okay, I give up. I'm Peach, now I'm Mario, now I'm Bowser, now I'm Mario, and now I'm actually King Boo. But I fooled you, didn't I?
Alright.
Yeah, you like my little costume game there?
Oop. Come on. I know what you're going to do.
Jump when it's not high. Don't jump when it's high. Doing that King Boo voice just now kind of roughed my throat a bit.
You're gonna die. Like you haven't already died anyway.
Oh shit.
Ooh. Okay.
One of these is the real one.
Okay, so you can't turn invisible. Always calling the real one. Look at this little scrap! Friend of yours, is he? Well, if you like your friend, you better stop attacking me. Now, don't go thinking it's okay to attack my little minion either. Who knows what could happen if he chops your little friend down. You got that?
Okay, so this is very bad. If we attack him, Paper Mario dies. If we attack King-Boo's son or whatever, Paper Mario dies.
Alright,
would King-Boo even...
I think I'm gonna take this moment to,
would King-Boo even have children? No kids, like Bowser?
Maybe? I mean, he does control the boost. Same difference. Right. Okay. Can you just see your cues?
Now?
Who's going to it? I don't know.
Attack King-Boo? He said if you attack him, Paper Mario dies. If you attack his assistant, Paper Mario dies. I guess we got
to try to dodge the attack. Ow.
Oh.
Okay.
Right into the other King-Boo. Screw it, attack him. Okay, you finally dodged that one.
Okay. Here it comes again. I'm stocked up and ready to go. Screw it! I'll follow your rules.
Oh, you're making. I think you're making a mistake. Oh, okay.
Okay. Make copies. Yes, we need them.
Is King-Boo say anything about you rescued Paper Mario? Why you rescued your stupid little paper friend? How could you? I'm gonna kill you all.
Alright. Now with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get the prop on him with the drill shell.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Boing! Ah, being drowned into! It only did 52 damage. So it seems like those kind of attacks aren't really effective against him.
Go ahead, throw some bombs. You want them? It's yours, my friend.
What, as long as I have enough rupees? Yeah, I'll just steal them if you don't mind.
Bam!
That did 113, not too shabby.
Okay, now we can run. Ah, it's one of these.
Big puffy King Boo. Oh, now he's a balloon King Boo. Okay.
Haha!
He hate Paper Mario.
I knew you were gonna do that.
I wonder how Paper Mario tasted like the King Boo.
Alright.
Black paper. Yuck.
Go ahead and shuriken. Shuriken!
Don't you mean sure you can? Bits of King Boo are falling. Hey, there's his crown. Can I take it for myself?
Good thing. Good thing that all radicals.
Yeah, otherwise this will be a lot more difficult than it already needs to be.
I'll try to line up as much as I can.
No. And Mario and Paper Mario destroyed the moon once again. 175. Oh,
here we go again.
okay, so the gimmick of this fight is that Paper Mario sometimes gets taken away. Ah, being taken away!
Oof. Okay. Alright, let's attack. Go in for a shell. Joe's brains out! I mean, go still have a brain. You know what I'm saying! Hit the ball.
Hey!
Bam in! Right. Now it has clones, so should probably take that for abundance.
You hit the guy in the back.
You're dead. So what happens?
Oh!
Smack!
Ouch!
Smack!
King Boo!
Okay.
Going in with a Will Smith bitch slap! And why did you jump there?
Okay, so if I do attack King Boo, he just attacks Paper Mario. Got it. So I need to take out its minion.
Yeah, I think that makes a bit more sense. And so, when Paper Mario gets taken away, he attacks Boo. Oh, not King Boo.
Oh, he's angry! Get in here! Hold on. I need to really heal up. Go for an Ultra Candy.
Yeah, that would be a good idea at this point.
There we go. That should keep them in check.
Joe Shell.
Shell. Let's go for his minion. Now that we know what we're doing. And
I feel like it. No, I talked about Paper King Boo over here. I feel like this should have been. I feel like that there was a massive missed opportunity to have Paper King Boo hold Paper Mario. Just, you know.
you idiot!
psych me out.
Wait, what's it psych? Oh, it's actually faster. Those are very annoying when he closes himself. 24 to 19.
Bring him in.
Reel him in.
Just one more second. I think I'm gonna use an Ultra Mushroom.
Yeah, definitely do that. Use the Ultra Shroom. Brings Mortar back to 111 HP.
Up and up. Oh, I thought he was gonna do that. He did anyway.
Oh well, Luigi's getting hurt a bunch there.
Ultra.
No.
I'm ready for you.
Press. Jump. Jump.
Trying to count silently so I know when to strike.
Okay, that's why we get
I
shot.
think I should probably put this face down for now. So I could get more cards to play.
That's it. Oh, goddamn, the darkest barking. And there we go. That's the little boo taken care of.
Alright. Here it comes! Inhale. I'm ready.
Okay, you got a lucky 8. 5. Another 5. Another 5. Another 5. A boo. Another 5.
In your mouth!
Bleh. Disgusting paper. Yeah, it has to be. No, he's still in the game.
Okay. Go ahead and, I guess, maybe the trio attack could do it. Let's go for a trio kite normal.
Yeah. Don't do Trail Kite on easy. You'll get Cane Boo to insane heights. It looks so stupid on the kite. He's looking kind of dumb. If he had a finger and thumb, he'd been holding it inside of a shape of an L on his forehead.
Something I just don't understand, like, who is that? Why does it look like a regular everyday big boo with a crowd?
Yeah,
Why can't
that's
they
what I
just
talked
go
about
with,
earlier!
Luigi's Mansion style King Boo.
That's what I was talking about earlier! Why did he have 2 different Cane Boo designs? You know, if we actually get a paper Cane Boo for the next Paper Mario game, have it be in the style of Luigi's Mansion, not this generic Atomic Boo design.
Right. Let's get my star points out of the way. And damage.
He's still in the, Cane Boo is still in the game. Still in the game.
Let's go for a Trotcopter. Probably better.
Yep. Helicopter, helicopter!
King Boo, please when you die. It would be greatly appreciated.
Don't ya know? Ghosts don't die. Oh! There we go. Just as I finished saying that. Talk about perfect timing.
Right. And we got armor and some levels.
And way too much gold. Okay, Mario reached level 22. 22! I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
Double twos.
Luigi's now old enough to drink alcohol.
Add
Oh,
2 2.
now he's feeling 22.
2-1?
And now Paper Mario is on enough to drink the booze.
You reunited the real Paper Mario. For real this time.
Thank you, little Mario and Luigi. You're the lifesavers.
Yes, now we're back to full strength. Tell me about it, I almost died. Alright, the sooner we kill this greedy forest bear. I'm sure that Flutter will give us another right to Mount Bird.
Let's go.
I mean, we could just call him Wigger either way.
Whew. Should probably save from that hectic battle.
Yeah, definitely.